guys, welcome to my channel. Or I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm gonna share with you few things which I got recently. They are very random and small things, but I thought let's just shoot a haul with them because I love watching hauls, and I'm very excited because this is my first haul video on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and without a further ado, let's just start with the video. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने ये 2 ट्राउज़र्स लिए हैं. दीज आर ब्लैक ट्राउज़र. ये मैंने मिंत्रा से मंगवाया है. दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस. इट्स फ्रॉम ब्रांड कॉल सासफरास एंड ये मुझे अराउंड 800 का पड़ा. दिस इज़ फुल लेंथ एंड इट्स हैज़ लाइक वाइड लेग्स. इट्स वेरी नाइस. आई रियली वांटेड अ ब्लैक ट्राउज़र like this. So this is one of my first thing in my haul. And the second thing which I got in the clothes is a black capri. It's a relaxed fit capri. This is from Van Heusen and this cost me 700 rupees, and the material is really nice and really thick. So this is the second item. Next are few hair related things. So I got these 5 leather hair bands, rubber bands. I really like these vibrant colors. Like see this one. दिस इज़ अ रस्ट वन. ये एक मस्टर्ड येलो में है, ये ग्रीन में है, ये ब्राउन में और ये रेड में है. आई लाइक रबर बैंड्स टू बी यू नो रियली फंकी एंड कूल. सो अभी मैं उस फेज में हूँ. सो दीज 5 दी ईच कॉस्टेड मी 5 rupees. येस. And then I got the normal 3 rubber bands because you can never have enough of rubber bands. And the other 3 things I got, this is a metal clutcher. It's very sturdy and I like the design. Like how cool is this, if you can see. Yes. And then in the same size the shopkeeper didn't have the golden one, so I got these 2 small rose gold one. They each costed me for 20 rupees and this one cost me 40 rupees. So इन दोनों को साथ मैंने सोचा हुआ ऐसे 2 एक साथ करके स्टाइल करके लगाऊंगी. So these 3. And next is this is a green eyeliner from Lakme. I already have their blue and black one, but I really wanted to try this color. This is one of my favorite colors to wear on eyelids, like especially for those hooded eyelids, just instantly pop up. तो ये मैंने लिया एक. और फिर मैंने लिए ये 2 रबर बैंड. और this one is in grey color. Like this is the what exactly it looks, and this is in blush pink kind of color, mauvish pink color. एंड इस पे पोल्का डॉट्स बने हैं. पता नहीं, अभी मुझे रिसेंटली पोल्का डॉट्स बहुत पसंद आ रहे हैं. लाइक आई वॉन्ट देम इन एवरीथिंग. सो दैट गोज देयर. देन आई टेक 2 pairs ऑफ क्लिप्स. ये एक ऐसा पैटर्न है एंड दिस इज इन द येलो ऑरेंज काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न. I really like these 2 clips. I think each one costed me 15 rupees pair, and that's it. Next thing I got is a beauty sponge. This was priced just for ₹50. तो मैंने सोचा इसको ट्राई करती हूँ, क्योंकि यूजुअली जो मैं स्पंज मंगाती हूँ, आई यूजुअली यूज़ द पैक स्पंज. वो बहुत जल्दी ख़राब होते हैं. लाइक विद इन 3-4 months दे स्टार्ट टेयरिंग एंड दे कॉस्ट मी अराउंड 750 or 850 rupees for pair. So I thought I'll just try this one out. If it's good, then even if it's last for me 1 month, I'm okay with the price I pay for that. And I dropped it. Next I got few toiletries for the travel purpose, travel size one. This one is a Pantene shampoo, advanced hair care solution. This is in the size of 90 ml. And then I got this Garnier Fructis conditioner. Like when I saw this conditioner, ऐसे बहुत सारी यादें ताज़ा हो गई. Like this was one of the fancy thing when I was a kid for me. So जैसे मतलब जब मैं ऐसे 12th में थी तो मेरे लिए बहुत फैंसी होता था कि गार्नियर का शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर. ओ माई गॉड, आई हैव टू गेट इट. सो इट जस्ट randomly I took it, and this was a small and compact and I can carry it. Next I'm going to a beach vacation, so definitely a sunscreen is a must for my body. I already have packed a sunscreen for my face, but I thought it's good to have a backup also for body part. So this is the Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture. This is SPF plus, and I have also used this in past, so ये तो पक्का मतलब अच्छा ही है, मुझे पता है. Then I got a Vicks Vapor Rub. very random, but I need it because me and my husband, we both get headaches very frequently. so this is a must in our house. And next is this Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. I took it to just for my feet and hand as a moisturizer, so this goes there. I also got this hairband. This has satin kind of bow made over, and it's very sturdy, and you know it just like ये यहाँ बैठता है. Most of the thing मेरे बहुत सारे हेयर बैंड के प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, they start slipping. So and this is very, you know, it feel like it is fixed. So this costed me 60 rupees, but I am happy to pay the price, and this is in the color beige. फिर मैंने नेक्स्ट एक टी शर्ट लिया. दिस इज अ प्लेन टी शर्ट फ्रॉम जॉकी in a red color. This one I took for my husband, but I like the color, and if he didn't wear it, so it comes to me. And then I took this mask, this printed one. I find them very pretty, so I thought chalo le lete. And the shopkeeper was nice enough to give this me as a gift, because I took a lot of rubber bands and everything from him. And that's it. That is it for my this random haul. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. And that's it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.